Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Bank Employees News. AIBA issued a circular on dated 15th April 2021. The circular is about reduced working hours per day, working with minimum staff work from home, hub banking, staggering working hours for all segments of society, vaccination of all bankmen including below 45 years old, exemption from duty to the following: insurance policy in banks to be fine-tuned, bringing COVID-related expenditure under exemption clause of income tax, compensation to family of deceased bankmen. The circular is based on the COVID-19 pandemic, measure to ensure steps action to ensure availability of a banking facility, UFBU's letter to Secretary, Department of Financial Services, Ministry of Finance, Government of India, dated 15th April 2021. The circular is about the increasing pandemic of COVID-19. The demand from bank unions is about reduced working hours per day. As we implemented last year, there is a necessity to restrict physical banking for next 4 to 6 months. Banks may be advised to reduce working hours, say from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. Similarly, banking should be restricted to 5 days in a week to break the chain. This would cut the exposure of bankmen and the customer to great extent without impairing services. Incidentally, several state governments have imposed night curfew and put in place travel restrictions, which requires reduced working hours to enable bankers to reach home early. Second demand is about working with minimum staff work from home. We call upon you to instruct all banks to deploy minimum possible staff officers at branches offices. Measures like working with 1/3 of staff strength working from home should be implemented for next 4 to 6 months. Staff or officers to be called on rotation so that exposure to COVID-19 is reduced. Third demand is about hub banking. Instead of opening all branches at multi-centers, numbers may be restricted in such a manner that banking facilities can be extended at few select branches, obviating the necessity to open all and expose bankmen and customers to the risk of infection. Fourth demand is about staggering working hours for all segments of society. All segments of society, commercial organizations, state, central banks, PSUs, etc., should be instructed to work only during stipulated hours. The commencement closure times should be deferred to be different for each segment so that footfall traffic on road is reduced. Congregations are minimized, which can avoid the spread of infection. Next demand is about vaccination of all bankmen, including below 45 years old. Considering the nature of work coming in contact with hundreds of customers every day, bankmen carry higher risk, having considered as frontline COVID warriors by the Parliamentary Standing Committee. We call upon you to initiate a measure to provide vaccination to all bankmen. Next demand is about exemption from duty to the following: employees with existing comorbidities, pregnant employees, officials, persons with disabilities. The above suggestions, if implemented, would not only be strong shield of safety to bankmen and customers, but will ensure availability of required banking facilities and help sustained economic activities in the country. Next demand is about insurance policy in banks to be fine-tuned. Quite a substantial number of bankmen have succumbed to COVID and over a lakh have contracted infections. There are many instances where the bankmen have not only suffered physically, but they have been harmed officially and financially, as entire expenditure charged at hospitals and not been reimbursed. Next demand is about bringing COVID-related expenditure under exemption clause of income tax. Whenever the medical expenditure is reimbursed beyond threshold, the reimbursement is treated as perk and taxed under IT Act. We request that COVID-related treatment should be treated akin to serious ailment like cancer, heart, kidney, and tax exemptions be allowed accordingly. Next demand is about compensation to family of deceased bankmen. As has been implemented by central government and few state governments, compensation of 50 lakh to the next of kin of deceased frontline COVID warriors should be extended to all banks. This would be a true recognition of martyrs of financial army who laid down his life in the front line of duty to serve nation during national crisis. So, these were the demands by our bank unions. So, what is your opinion about these demands? Do share your opinion in the comment section below in the video. For latest updates on banking and financial related or bank privatization, please subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching this video.